Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is another Dollar Tree haul, and I bought more decor items this time around because, as you know, I've been doing Christmas decor videos on my channel. I started in November and I think I'm gonna do them all the way till mid-December because after that it's kind of pointless to put decor videos up, even though I am one of those people that's guilty of keeping my Christmas decor way past December, so maybe I'll take it all the way through Christmas. I don't know, we'll see. But this week I was really excited to find the ornate mirror. I love this. I think it is so beautiful. I mentioned it in my last Christmas decor video that if you don't have the Halloween sign that I took the skull off of, that you can use these. They also have the little ones that I hauled last week, which are not mirrors. They are frames, super duper cute, and I think that this is so worth it. At IKEA, these are about $10, and anywhere else that you go, anything with like a really intricate design is pretty expensive. So I love this. And I believe it comes in more than just black. Black was what I found, and I really love it in this color. Speaking of decor, I found really great decor pieces at Dollar Tree. I actually just went to Michael's and filmed a shop with me, and a lot of their ornaments, which are like $3, $5, and $6, are pretty similar to the ones that Dollar Tree has. So I found this snowflake ornament and it's got rhinestones. Are these rhinestones? They're not rhinestones, but they're little divots, so it makes it look super shiny, and it's front and back, so you can use this on your tree without worrying that the back is just plain, or you can use this on a gift instead of using a bow. I love using ornaments, and I am going to be doing a gift idea video. Last year I did one, and I didn't want to do traditional, and it ended up looking very much like Mother's Day gift ideas, so this year I'm going to go a little bit more on the traditional side. So this ornament would be perfect. Another ornament that I found that I really loved was this one. Now this is absolutely gorgeous. It's got so many beautiful details on it, and I've seen something similar in Walmart, at Michael's, and it's way more than $1. So if you can find little things like this and start collecting them, because this is something that they have every Christmas, you can put a really beautiful tree together. I just love them. In that same color family, I found the ornament garland. This isn't very long, it's 6 feet, but if you have one of the little mini trees, you can use this, or if you have an old garland that you want to spruce up, using this would be really cool. They also do have ornaments that you can buy that aren't tied together, but this would make your life a lot easier if you are not an avid crafter or if you don't got time for that. This already comes in garland form, so this is great. Okay, the last silver item that I purchased was this 50-foot garland, and it's supposed to be like the tinsel kind. I'm usually not a fan of tinsel, but I don't know why, it just called to me. I really loved it, and I think that not my next decor video, but maybe the one after that is going to be somewhat glam using these things. I'm not sure yet, but I definitely have to use this because every time I purchase something, I either have to gift it or use it. I can't just have it sitting in my house, or I feel like a crazy hoarder. So I do love this. And by the way, I lied. I just realized that I have one more silver item, and it is the ice bucket from Dollar Tree. These are really cool and come in handy. They don't look like real silver. It doesn't look super duper fancy, but to spray paint or to just, there's so many things that you can do with this. I just think it is a really nice size. The fact that it has 2 little handles here. A lot of people use the trash bins from Dollar Tree to DIY certain things, and I think just the fact that this has these 2 little handles right here totally takes away the trash bin look. If you're trying to make a little centerpiece or something like that, this is perfect, and spray paint holds really well to something like this because it is a nice and flat surface. I mentioned it in one of my last hauls. Holiday scents are kind of a hit or miss in my house. I don't like the scent of artificial cinnamon. Real cinnamon smells delicious, but something about artificial cinnamon just makes me queasy. So I was really happy that I found sachets in peppermint. I love the smell of peppermint. It's so refreshing. It actually makes my stomach feel nice. I know that is so weird, but I'm glad that it wasn't mixed with anything. I've been finding a lot of holiday scents that are peppermint and some other weird thing. So the fact that this is just peppermint made me so happy. I purchased 2. I like to put these in my drawers just to keep them a little refreshed. I also like to put them in places like behind where we keep our shoes in the living room, anywhere that needs a little burst of scent. These are great and they last a really long time. They come 2 to a pack, so I bought 4 of them. And the packaging is actually really nice, so if you have it visible, it's not really a big deal. This time of year is the best time to buy things like tissue paper. Even if it's not holiday theme, they have the nicest patterns. And I really, really loved this silver and white, and then they had that like gray slate color. It looks very, very beautiful. So I like to buy them this time of year so that I can use them for gifts later on or to Mod Podge on certain things. This is beautiful. And last year I hauled a really pretty pink and rose gold one. These are things that you don't find regularly. It's usually holiday season or around Mother's Day, so I love purchasing these. And ribbon, of course they're gonna have a lot of holiday themed ribbon, but they're also gonna have things that you might wanna use later on. I really, really love this white and red one. Yes, of course it screams holiday, but if you pair it on like a black gift later on or something with craft paper, it won't look very Christmassy. And of course I did purchase Christmassy ones. This one has a little Christmas tree in gold and white. And this one just has a really pretty pattern. So this you can use all year round. I purchased the Elf on a Shelf journal. Now, this is kind of a weird purchase for me because I don't have the Elf on a Shelf. Every time I go to purchase it, I just can't justify spending $30. But then again, I think about it and I'm like, it's tradition, it's cute. So I might bite the bullet and buy the dang elf. But I bought his little journal. I just thought he was adorable and they have quite a few. I'll insert some clips of the different ones that they have if I have it. But this is really cool if you are doing Elf on a Shelf to leave little notes for your kids or for your kids to leave little notes for the elf, whatever you named them. I just think it's really cute. I keep thinking that I didn't buy more silver stuff, and I totally did. Look at these ornaments. They are absolutely beautiful. They are beautiful little 3D snowflakes with bells at the end. I also hauled the stars, which I've used before, and this is the one that I'm used to seeing in stores. But when I saw these, I had to purchase them. They are so beautiful, and I never really see these. These I see all the time, but not the snowflakes. So I love them so very much. Another thing that I thought was really cool, and I found this in the stocking stuffer section, was this miniature little photo frame. Now it's supposed to be a wood backing with a little clip right here. So you can use this as a photo frame, or you can use it to write a tiny little note for someone, or you can just remove the back part and use this as a label for a gift. There's so many things that you can do. Bows are usually $1 or 3 for $1. So if you wanted to do a more intricate gift, using things like this would take your gift to the next level, and you're still wasting the same amount of money. So yeah. Speaking of bows, I bought these 2 giant bows, and I didn't buy these for gifts. I actually bought them for a traditional wreath, and I think I changed my mind after that, and I might use it for my daughter's gift. Her grandmother sent her this giant Minnie Cooper, and when I mean Minnie, I mean Minnie Mouse Cooper. So we have this ongoing joke that she got a Mini Cooper before I did. So I might wrap that and use these giant ones as a bow. She's so lucky, man. I want a Mini Cooper. It's so cute. I fell in love. Dollar Tree is a hit or miss when it comes to floral. Some things look really realistic, some things look awful, and these magnolia bouquets, I swear, are so beautiful. I'm not gonna say they look realistic, but they definitely look a lot better than most of the flowers that they have. I only found 2. If I would have found a few more, I would have definitely purchased them, but the details on them are very, very pretty. If you are having a wedding and you need white flowers or white roses, now is the time to get white and red, because after a while during spring, white and red disappears. They do have a lot of white and red, like not marigolds, you know, the other little flowers, but they don't have roses. So if you are doing faux arrangements, purchase your roses, your magnolia, certain things like that now. So let me show you some of the stuff that I saw in stores that I didn't buy this week, but I thought were amazing. I found these beautiful candle holders, which can also be used as centerpieces, and look at these gorgeous details at the bottom. And then in this book section, I found these little pocket puzzles, but I think the cover is just so gorgeous. These I thought were really cute because of the crown, but I really didn't love the color. Still thought it was a really cute concept. And then these wood signs are getting so much cuter, but I didn't need it. So that's it for me. I really hope that I can put all of this together into one really cool decor video. And guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate you all so very much, and I will see you on the next video. Till next time.